Hi guys, 8:11 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family, and friends pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? Ay nilabanan po natin na manood po kanina ng balita. We want to break po na naman po yung habit of watching yung mga news ng 6:30 or 6 o'clock para po naman, ito na, mas maaga natin ginawa. Para wag tayo ma-hook na naman po sa mga, not sa mga unwelcome po na balita. No? At least we can do this. We are in control of ourselves, of course, tayo, and we can manifest, pray, and wish for what we want, the outcome that we want, and ultimately, that outcome you want will make you happy. And by the way po, before I begin, Ma'am Jupar, thank you so much for the comment. Opo, BFF, apologies, ngayon po ang Day of the Boar. Kahapon po ay Day of the Dog. And Ma'am Jupar was kind enough po to remind me that. Ma'am Jupar, thank you for that. And I hope you're watching tonight. Okay, so BFF, let's move forward. Ito na. Inagahan na po natin para hindi po tayo mamalik mata. Okay, June 11 po, Wednesday, the Metal Pig enters the Initiate Officer Day. Opo. So, if it's an Initiate Officer, ano ba pwedeng gawin dyan, Kuya Norman? No? Tingnan natin. Initiate Officer Day. Okay, let us see. Okay. Sabi po nito is suitable for house cleaning, gardening, keeping a pet, visit a beautician, and fermentation. All good for tomorrow. Avoid marriage proceedings, assuming a new post, contracts, utility services, and trading. Not suitable for tomorrow. Good for whom? O, tingnan po natin. Rat is average, ox is not so good, tiger and rabbit is very good. Dragon is average, snake not good. Horse is average, dog is very good. Goat is very good. Monkey not so good, rooster not so good, dog average, and pig very good. Wow, there's it. So, BFF pwede mong i-tailor fit what you want for tomorrow. Okay, so what we do is, we make sure that we get what we want. Sa isang Miyerkules po, midway na po na isang linggo, and always raining drive safe BFF and always bring your rain gear. Okay, how do we do it? BFF, sa mga first timers, what we do here is backing direction po, nakatalikod ka sa direksyon, hindi nakaharap. So bukas, Kuya Norman, saan ba tatalikod? Okay. It says here, June 11, Wednesday. Anything to do with, to improve your cash flow in terms of financials, talikod ka po sa southeast. Anything to do with heart-to-heart talk, getting what you want, for people to say yes to you, to your idea, talikod ka naman sa southwest. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, you want to get that system, that systematic way of doing things, you want to get that inspiration and attract a medical doctor or medical practitioner suitable for what you want in terms of your health, talikod ka naman sa west. In terms of having a good health, having a helpful people, game changer, talikod ka naman po sa east. And then, if you want to have opportunities here and abroad, open door, ang reach mo po beyond the Philippines, overseas, talikod ka naman sa northeast. So, Kuya Norman, anong gagamitin mo? 7 stars is at backing to west. So, if I were you, BFF, I'll be... I will be backing to west. And again, you count from 64 to 1, nakatalikod ka. Ma'am Daniel, yes, thanks for watching po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Thanks for watching. So, 7 stars po ito, starting 11 PM mamaya until 10:59 PM the next day. So, pwede mong gamitin. So, kung gagamitin mo ang west, ano ang pwede mong hilingin or i-pray? Number 1, I mentioned, have a doctor tailor-fitted for you. If you want to get cured, of course, you want to pray for doctors po na swak po sa gagamutin sa'yo. Number 1. 2, inspiration. If for so long a time, you're getting depressed, you're getting hopeless, tinatamad ka po, daming delays, you may ask for inspiration to spark again po ito pong araw na to. Later, 11 p.m. And then if you want to be organized, you have to have the system, to have that, what they call that, the things that you do. May pattern, good pattern of course, good habits. You can also be back into West. And of course, if you want to 10x, being beautiful and handsome, you're a content maker, a blogger into sales and marketing. If you want to have more sales, more influence, talikod ka rin sa West. So, ang dami po, PFF, no, West. So, talikod ka sa West, use a compass later, and then do the 4 things. Let go. Like I mentioned, everything, almost every day. Let go of bad experiences, bad people, not so good activities. In the past, not so good past, let go. 2, open up for new opportunities. 3, give thanks to the one upstairs. 4, you ask and visualize for what you want. And 5, given the opportunity, BFF, mag-donate, donate. Online, charity, church, to a person, up to you. But kailangan po, 5 things, kailangan gawin mo yan. Okay, walang Green Dragon. So, alam ko na maya. Okay, tingnan natin, BFF ha. Alam ko po, sasabihin nyo, Normo na kuya Normo, lagi naman bitin. Opo, bigyan natin. Silipin natin po ang Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Okay, ito po. It says here, 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m., Green Dragon returns, talikod sa southeast. Flying Bird fall into cave wherein blessing comes to you, talikod ka po sa northwest. Another Flying Bird from 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m., talikod ka sa south, Flying Bird fall into cave. And from 3 p.m. to 4:59 p.m., BFF, talikod ka naman sa southeast, Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structures in Chimen. Ang Green Dragon po is best formation for victory, career progression, increased profits, negative situations resolve, and relationship flourish. Hi Ma'am Leia, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Thanks for watching, Ma'am Leia. Initiate lawsuits, especially with the door of harm, proactive formation, outstanding outcomes for taking action. So may word na taking action sa Green Dragon. Ang Flying Bird po, nakaupo ka lang, blessing comes to you. Kaya po yung ibang masters, number 1 sa kanila ang Flying Bird, sa iba naman po, number 1 ang Green Dragon. So, Flying Bird, good fortune falls into your lap, increased wealth and profits. Good for trade and investments. Double man offers help, chaotic situations resolved, defend naman ito against court cases, supportive of new ventures and career development. Yan, wow. Okay, BFF, again, I thank you so much sa ating po mga bagong followers and for the, sabihin natin sa mga suki na, marami pong salamat din for always being there. Sabi nga po, let's us continuously pray for each other. And I think the Lord Almighty for the blessing po, na halos araw-araw po may project tayo, iba't iba pong klase ng feng shui, office feng shui, lot feng shui, sa mga government. By the way po, I'd like to thank po the Chief of Police sa Santa Rosa, none other than very worshipful SK, Light Colonel, Carl Benson Pimentel. Kuyang sir, SK sir, thank you so much for the warm welcome kanina. I know it was an early visit, but it's all worth it po. Thank you so much, Kuyang. Sir, SK, maraming salamat po. So, we offer office feng shui, home feng shui, residential, gagawin pa lang, lot planning, lot selection, condo. Yeah, yes, we do that. Then we also tailor fit po your patchy chart or your destiny reading, Chimen, your natal backing, and then like I mentioned before, may monthly subscription po tayo for you to monitor all the aspects of your life, how to go about it, your own personal Green Dragon, your own personal Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Wow, you have that. And of course, it includes yung 7-star path walk. Yung po importante rin to reinforce po the divine intervention and the game changer in your life. Okay? Yep. I know some of you are resting right now. Inagahan na po natin para hindi na pa mag-isa tayo ng pagkapuyat. Again, BFF, I hope to see each and every one of you in person one of these days. Hope for you to be my physical client po there, any part. So, even those outside of the Philippines, we can do that using a satellite compass. So po, technology. We can also do feng shui. Again, BFF, I would love it so much if you can do some referrals for us, me and my son. Thank you so much po. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless. Good night. and see you again tomorrow. Happy Wednesday, BFF. Thank you!